Here I am loading last winter's manure for spreading. It is September and the manure should be dry, but we had such a wet August that it is still a bit wet and heavy. I'm using a Kubota B7800, which is a pre-emissions 30 horsepower small frame subcompact tractor, and I'm loading it into a Massey Ferguson MF160 manure spreader. I do have a Piranha tooth bar on the tractor, which is necessary to cut into this manure pile. Most of the manure is mixed with wasted hay, so it is hard to get into with just a straight edge on the bucket. The B7800 is counterweighted with fluid in the tires and a 5-foot box blade with a 4-foot railroad rail welded on to the back. The manure spreader is pulled with a Kubota L 5240, which is a pre-emissions 52 horsepower tractor. The manure spreader is a PTO driven spreader with beaters on the back. This field I'm spreading the manure in is labeled Field 2 for our reference on the farm. It was the last field where I kept the cows prior to the calving season, so it is the shortest grass right now. After I spread the manure, we'll leave the field until November or December, when we'll put the cows back on it, and there should be some good healthy regrowth. Late November or December is when I usually start feeding hay, but this was such a wet summer that I expect we can keep them mostly on grass until December. I use rotational feeding or grazing to keep the cows moving from pasture to pasture. It gets tough usually in the summer because there's no rain, and this year I actually had to feed a few bales of hay in early July. After that it started raining, and we've had an abundance of grass. The cows are now on field 1, where we'll keep them through the calving season so that we can have them into the barn if we need to medicate or watch a baby calf. Off in the distance there you can see Mount Fuji. Time to reload. I leave both tractors running because there's only a short pause while I take the manure to spread it. There's the finished product of Field 2, spread with one winter's collection of manure and waste hay.